Dear all, today we'll see how to add the Microsoft Teams in our LMS course. Right. For that we need to log into our LMS by teacher login credentials. So after login you will get your dashboard page. So here you have to select your course. Right. So here I have selected my demo course. So in the demo course I am already having these activities. Now I have to schedule the lecture via Microsoft Teams. So already I have taken 3 lectures through this. So lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3 via Teams meeting, right? That is Microsoft Teams. So for that now I want to add another meeting. So for that we need to click on turn editing on button. So you can find this turn editing on here also or here also. So if you are here and you want to add immediately, so click on turn editing on button. After clicking on turn editing on button, so the page will be in the editing mode, right? So now I want to add this activity here. So you click here and search. You can add anywhere in assignment, you can add in attendance also, you can add in any activity, but I will show you how you can add in label, right? So click on label, add. Okay. Now when you are adding the label here, you can see this is the auto editor. This editor is we have in assignment, we have in attendance, everywhere we have a auto editor, this editor. So in the editor we have added this Microsoft Teams, right? So you have to click here, click on Teams meeting, this icon. After that you need to sign in. So I already signed through this Microsoft Teams. So first, if you are adding this first time, so here you will get the sign in button. You click on that sign in button and sign in to your Microsoft Teams using the credentials given by our IT team, right? So that credential, use that credential, sign in to the Microsoft Teams. I already signed, so there is no need to again signing this Microsoft Teams, already signed. Now click on the create meeting. So now here I have to give the title, right? So you see 12:30 I already given, so 1 hour, and you can directly click on create. Now you see you can directly go to the meeting, or you can have a meeting options, you can explore this. Now I'll say this is the link created, so you can click here, open a new window and click add link, right? So when you add link, so this link will be added here, but I don't want to show this link to the students as it is. So what I will do, I will copy it, or I'll say cut it from here, and I will add here a link. For that I need to write here lecture 4, click here. So when students will click here, that time that link should get open in the new tab, right? So I have selected this, click here, and I will add here link. So paste that link here and say here open in new window and create link. So you see this color got changed, means when student will click on here, that link window will get open in the new tab, right? So this is the way we have added the created the Microsoft Teams meeting in our course page. Now you see here added my lecture 4. Are you getting? So I'll say turn editing off. Here we'll click turn editing off. Now you see here we have a lecture 4, right? So click here, it will automatically open in the browser. So if you have a open Microsoft Teams, you can directly click here, or you can use the browser instead. So you will get the tab for this. I already signed in, so that's why I already having that app. So open Microsoft Teams, I'll click, or you can download it from here, or you can continue on this browser. So you see here I have already this. So you can directly see I got opened this, already signed into this Microsoft Teams app. This is the app. So you can directly open this app through and log into this app. So it will ask, provide your name, and so that time it will ask you join the meeting using guest login, but you sign in that by using credentials to this app, and after login or sign into this app, it will this window will get open. Right now here, this is the camera, this is the audio, and when you click on join, so same for students also, right? So you click on join, and when you click on join, the direct this dashboard will get open for you. Here you can share your screen. Here you have audio, video, and the lecture count, right? And you can see the participant. This is, you can, students can raise the hand. Here we have more options. You can entire full screen, device setting, keypad, start recording, end meeting, turn off incoming video. So all these options you have here. uh, no, you can you have a chat option here. Here you have a show participant list. Now I have only one participant, and if you want to download the attendance sheet of students, you can download that list. So all the student list will be shown here, or you can directly invite someone from here also. And this option is for managing the permission. So what it's owner, or it is organ, visitor, or any that permissions, you can click here and manage the permissions, or you can close this window, right? So these are the options we have here. You can say share the screen, you can share the screen. These are the options available for you here. This is for the demo purpose. I'll stop here, or I'll go back and in my course, and I will show you where that link goes. So this is the link. So students will click here and will log into the app and join the your live lecture. So this is the way to create the Microsoft Teams link, integrate, or we can add Microsoft Teams in your course, right? Thanks for watching this video. I will create another video on this, how you can create Microsoft Teams link in calendar, right? So for that I will create another video. So this is the calendar. I will create the link in the calendar and I'll show you. So please watch my next video for that. So thanks for watching this video.